Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I got rid of this ugly looking acne within days of using this DIY mask. If you guys want to find out, please continue to watch. So I have split the ingredients of this mask into two types, one for oily skin and one for dry skin type. Make sure to check out the next clips. For oily skin people, everything else remains the same, but instead of mayonnaise, use egg white from one whole egg. Similarly, for dry skin people, we're going to be using a mayonnaise instead of an egg white because we need that rich moisture on our skin, but everything else remains the same. I always use sheet masks because it just keeps everything in place, especially if I'm using a lot of ingredients. If you do not have a sheet mask, it's okay, or you can make one by using a paper towel. Avocado has some amazing properties like vitamin C, E, and K. But if you do not have avocado, you can use half a banana plus half or one strawberry just to get that, all the properties of it, or at least similar properties of it. Other than that, I've used 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. My acne at this point had already cleared up because of the same mask I was using for the past 3 days. So did you guys notice that half avocado? I was using that same avocado every single day on my face. I would just make a fresh batch every day and I would apply it. And I could see the significant result because my acne was going down on every day. I'm sure you have noticed in the clips I showed earlier. And right now, I just got done filming a look. So I was like, might as well just record this mask again for you guys and show you that how I got rid of that acne. Also, I would highly suggest to make a fresh batch every time you want to use it because it has fruits in it, and I would think that it would just go back bad even if you've put it in the fridge. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just going back with my hand and I'm just trying to apply the mask wherever I feel like it's missing or it's needed. And that's what I've been doing from last 3 days. I was not being, that fancy to apply the mask with applicator. I just wanted to make a video like that, but not really. The first mask a video that I uploaded on my Instagram, a lot of you guys asked me, what is that little tablet that you put in the water in the beginning of the video? And I was like, it's not a tablet, it's a sheet mask. And you can, if you guys do not have a sheet mask, I get mine from Amazon. They're like really cheap. But if you guys do not have these, you can just take like a thick quality paper towel, cut the nose area, eye area, and the lips area open, and then dip it in water and then squeeze out the excess water and then just apply it over your mask. What that does, it just keeps everything in place, and that's what it does. You don't really have to have it, but again, it's really helpful if you have it. So yeah. Keep it on for 20 minutes or wait till it's like completely dried and then you can take it off. Okay, so the one that I made with mayonnaise, of course, it's not going to be completely dried because mayonnaise is kind of like oily in texture. But the one that you would make with egg white, if you have oily skin, that would be like really stiff and dry. But that's okay because that's what you want. You want to get rid of that extra oil, right? And oh my God, makeup and mask mixed up. Oh, looks so disgusting. I'm sorry, but I kind of have to show you too. So, and then what I'm going to do is with the leftover mask on my face, I'm just doing a really nice massage. And I'm going to use the same mask, and I'm just going to clean my eyes, my eyeshadow makeup, and I'm just going to clean it off really well. I'm not going to rub it, but I'm just going to clean it off, and then I'll wash my face with fresh cold water, and then I would apply any moisturizer or anything that I like. I wash my face with cold water and some Neutrogena face wash, and now I'm going to apply some oil. You guys can use any moisturizers, any serums that you guys like or prefer. I really like a rosehip oil, and that I would explain more to you in one of my next videos where I will talk to you guys about my skincare routine, what products that I use on my skin and everything. One of the products that I would like to share today is a rosehip oil. It has amazing properties, and it's a very crucial part of my skincare routine. I apply it every single night and I massage it on my face really well. Again, it's rosehip oil. The company that I use is, I think, Acura Facia. That's the one. I'm gonna list it down below. And also, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, which is Glow by Sana. Thank you for watching. Bye.